Lobi Liba, oh my gosh, Lobi Liba, Lobi Libi, golly, reading upside down is crazy. What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the game show, and today we are on episode numero 5 of Hype Unboxings, and today we have a very special box. These are the Air Max ones, Pattas. I believe they're called the Monarchs. If not, it's the brown colorway, if that brings up any bells. But with the special box, obviously it has some special things that the regular box doesn't have. And that the first thing is obviously the box and the way it looks. Familiar, and then love for all. Patta, Nike, Patta right here. And this is Lobi Liba, oh my gosh, Lobi Liba, Lobi Libi, golly, reading upside down is crazy. But I believe this is like Love Vibes or something like that in a specific language. If I'm not correct, I will update y'all on that. But as you can see, I did cop these off of, I believe, the Concepts drop. Yeah, it was a Concepts drops. So, shout out to Concepts beating the bots. And you can see right here the tag. Hopefully it is clear. But yeah, let's get right into it. In terms of the wrapping, I definitely love this wrapping, showing the ideas of not similarly to the like Blackfish, but having a story behind it in terms of how it correlates with the current political situations. But something definitely you could like, and if you don't like that, well, you can't find a place to love these. But once we get into the shoe, hopefully you love these. If you could see, I feel like, actually, before we get into the shoes, let's go into the goodie bag. I know if we go into the goodie bag, there is a chain. If I am not mistaken, I believe this is Lebanon or Jordan, somewhere around there. If not, I'll put it in the screen. So sorry for the disrespect, but is an amazing chain that you could put right here on the shoes and have it dangling, which is always an added plus, right? But once we get into the shoe, we see the Air Max Pattas with the little check right here, and I feel like this is what distincts a lot of Air Maxes, at least for my liking, because usual Air Maxes I don't like, but once I saw this and the materials and the way it looked, I definitely needed to cop these for the toe. But as I noted, the Nike check right here, the amazing colorway that it has throughout the shoe, as well as the mesh material right here in the toe box, as well as in the back of the tab with the Nike Air. Can't forget the Nike Air. And this gentle slash just creamy colorway for the toe, and as well as the interior, which I feel like adds a lot of ways to include certain things like shorts with like cream laces, etc., that allows the fit to just come together and be that. And then we have the usual transparent outsole or air bubble, sorry. Then we have the midsole with the same type of creamy colorway here. And then once we get out the outsole, we do see a different kind of brown, as well as other colors that are found throughout the shoe. And then we have some regular gray laces, which I feel like are definitely it's just calling my name that these are beaters, but that these beaters are like something you would clean like once a month with the cream laces. And something that you gotta respect and know that these have a deeper meaning than just regular old shoes. But other than that, the leather is kind of interesting. It is stiff on some places. The other places is just regular leather. You could find in different shoes. But other than that, this is suede, which is always an added plus. But these are currently going about 300 like 320 around there again. So these are definitely a good investment if you need some nice sneakers that you can wear out on a date, or just have them around the house while family come over, etc. But I wouldn't say anything about them. These are definitely a great cop, especially if you could have gotten on retail. But yeah, so hopefully y'all like this. Definitely not gonna be the last time I get Air Maxes. Y'all would see that later in the next episode, so don't miss out for that. But yeah, other than that, hopefully y'all liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, peace.